Good morning, students. Our fifth lesson is in progress. The Equatorial region, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Related with this lesson, we have already seen the definition about the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Also, we have seen the location, geography, climate, vegetation, animal life, people and culture, economy. Now we are going to see about the occupation of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Students, this is our last video of this lesson. So we are going to see about occupation. Means we have discussed all the points related with this country. Which is that country? The Democratic Republic of the Congo. Now students, occupation. Which are the occupations are there? You know students, there is abundant water. There is plenty of water. That's why farming is a major occupation. If water is available at any place, then the main occupation is farming. Like this, in also Congo, the prime occupation or the major occupation of the people is farming. Large areas of forest have been cleared for farming. So there is a dense forest also, you know about that. But for farming purposes, the people has cut or they have been cleared the different types of forest for farming. The chief crops cultivated are rice, maize and cassava. These are the different types of plants that are produced or different types of crops that are produced in this area. Which are the main crops? Main crops are rice, maize and cassava. Cassava plant is given here. See how you can look like this cassava plant. If you want to see that, you can see on page number 249. Cassava is a root that is dried and pounded into flour, which is used to make bread. Means with the help of this cassava root, means the cassava plant, they cut that cassava plant and they took that root from the soil. And with the help of that cassava root, first of all, that root is dried and it is pounded into flour. They make flour like our wheat flour, jowar flour is there, no? Like that, they make a flour of this cassava plant, cassava root, which is used to make bread. And with the help of this cassava root, they prepared bread there. Varieties of cash crops such as coca, coffee, tobacco, cotton, rubber and oil palms are also grown by the farmers in that particular area. And these things like coca, coffee, tobacco, cotton, rubber and oil palms, they exported to other countries. They exported it to other countries because there is plenty of production of these things in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Fishing is done. Another occupation related with that Congo people is fishing is done on a large scale in Congo, as fish is an important part of people's diet. Means there is abundance of water, you know about that. There is plenty of water. That's why there are fishes in waters. And also fish is an important part of the people's diet. That's why fishing is the major occupation as far as the Congo country is concerned. Student, Now we have already seen about the occupation of the Congo. Now we will see about transport and communication of this country. Transport and communication are major problems in the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Means there are some problems in transport and communication. If any country develop, when it will develop whenever the telecommunication or the communication and the transport system are better. But in this country, that is the major problem for them. The industries are situated deep inside the country, means in the middle of the country or in the forest areas or in the deep of this country. The industries are situated, which makes it difficult for roads and railways to be built. So it is in the deep area, that's why it is very hard for making or for constructing the different types of roads and railways. Mining centers are connected by railways and roads. The most important means of transport here is water transport. Means like water transport, other transport are also very important, but the other transport like roads and railways have not developed in this country. Only important means of transport here is water transport. Also air transport is also becoming popular here. With the help of aeroplanes, they send the different types of luggages or they export the different types of their products to other countries. Now students, we have already seen about the transport and communication. Now our last point that we are going to take, that is cities. How is the condition of the cities of this country, the Democratic Republic of the Congo? Listen students, about 1/3 of the total population lives in towns and cities. Means about 1/3 people live in the major cities and towns, and 2/3 people lives in the village areas. The capital city Kinshasa, what is the name of the capital city that we have already studied? The capital city of Congo is Kinshasa. It is the largest city with a population of more than 1 million. Means there are 10 lakhs people are there. In one city, 10 lakh people can live there. Also, there are some different types of cities or some important cities such as Lubumbashi, Kisangani and Kananga. Lubumbashi is rich in minerals. In Lubumbashi, there are so much types of minerals and mines are there. Other big cities like Kananga and Kisangani and Matadi are the port cities, and the other three cities there are ports. Means with the help of that ports, ship can transport from one place to another place. Means these cities are situated on the banks of the water. Consumer goods such as shoes and textiles are manufactured in the cities of Kinshasa and Lubumbashi. The Democratic Republic of the Congo is very rich in natural resources, and with the help of development and proper infrastructure, it can become one of the richest nations in the continent. So, which are the industries as far as the Congo is related? The important industries are shoes and textiles. These shoes and textiles are manufactured on a large scale here, and they are manufactured in the city of Kinshasa and Lubumbashi. That's why this country, this Democratic Republic of Congo, is very rich in natural resources there. There are minerals, there are different types of crops, there are different types of countries, or there are different types of minerals, there are different types of industries due to these abundant natural resources. And with the help of this development and the proper infrastructure that is done by the government, it can become one of the richest nation in the continent. Now it has become one of the richest nation in this continent. So student, what we have studied in this lesson, that we will see in the points to remember. The Democratic Republic of the Congo lies in the equatorial region, that we have already studied. Kinshasa is the capital of the Democratic Republic of the Congo. River Congo is the main physical feature of this country, and it covers almost the whole country, that we have already studied. The country has evergreen forest and vast varieties of animals, that we have also studied. Farming and mining are the main occupations, that we have also studied. The pygmies are the original inhabitants. Pygmy peoples. Their race is pygmy. They are the original inhabitants of this area. They live in huts and are still hunters and food gatherers. And also, most of the Congolese are Bantu Negroes. Bantu Negroes are the different types of races as far as this country is concerned. And French is the official language of this country. So, these are the points to remember, students. In this way, we have completed the total information of this lesson, or we have studied this lesson completely, the equatorial region, the Democratic Republic of the Congo. Students, that's all for today. In the next period, I will send you a PDF of the answers of this lesson. That's all for today, students. Thank you.